I know you're probably wondering where I am. I'm at Meraki and we are about to complete our project. Come, let's see what's up. Currently, internal paintwork is up to 80%. We have gone up to the 12th floor where it is still underway. Something else that is also ongoing is the final cleaning and polishing of all units. This is in preparation for us to hand over the projects to you. Electrical work has been done up to 100%, and for the lift installment system, we have done it up to 90%. This is the backside of Meraki Phase 1, and as you can see behind me, painting is ongoing. This has been done up to 80%. For the front side of this project, we have completed all the paintwork. As we get closer to the completion of the finishing process for Meraki Phase 1, that has been your progress report. See you next time.